Kuna. Already just one them. Somebody asked, they buy me. Do you know this? Because you believe in a democracy. You want this is my new system. I just system I can't give before. You be mumu. I'm not nobody was evil to me for John Obi. Galo na ina mni so safe injele eyele awuna ina musi nlagusi yele nyem poison. Anana nguri e chena na wanne. Ekwensu romance ya mami water. I'm not nobody for evil to Obi. He wasn't know that they block them. So I'll get it me. Eventually, woman, that when you, if I eventually, you see, they block them. Yes. You had to win because of Sunday information. You say, okay, block me back. That block. It's a lie. Why you going to talk like that? But I'm my own, the monk will be a need one now. I just need to KKC will save this land. Because he is safe good to this land. Humanitarian distance. Humanitarian. We are right. I'm right to open humanitarian aid. You did Chris? Why you going to talk like that? To help people Ndibo and all over the world, man, especially in the Nana Babusi. It's a lie. I will register humanitarian to help our people. Hence, all the register. I will write a contribution to help our people at home. All over the world. Humanitarian. Hence, all the register because people got tired. We need to get for freedom now. You have to get for freedom. Your mind is go out there. They want the freedom. They make you a jail. Nobody can answer to go down. Where's the wood to be? Anna Zotana, where's the wood to be? In a book, your freedom, your land is going there about freedom. I'm not there for freedom again. This is plain. If you want to say something, say it. Don't dance around like somebody who has boil under his thighs. When people are capable to freedom, I join for now. Or not join for this freedom again. Or they are all fake.
I beg, slot in the investment. What do worry you now? Stop that rubbish.
Speak before Biafrans will learn. As a media personnel, if you are working in the interest of Biafra, all you need to do is to share that message from Angel Makeup and make it go viral to create awareness. You don't talk like a drunkard insulting people and making them feel that they don't know what they're doing. Stop it. You don't do such. Because this is government and the authority is disseminated from every department. If you're a media, you have your place. That is the danger of some of the medias communicating with men on ground. You are now seeing yourself as an authority because you are communicating with one military personnel on ground. And mind you, it is against the government, against Mazin Namikanu's order, and against our PM's order for anyone to be communicating with men on ground if you are not in the capacity of government.
Come and sit down there. Sit down.
You cannot be misbehaving in the media and destroying what we are doing in the name of you are in the media. Whether you are independent or dependent media, I don't care.
Huh? Make a mother block your mouth there.
I am giving you a sound of warning. Desist from that nonsense and stop insulting the authority in Britain. Ngozona beza sign how declaration. Yeah.
declaration paper.
Shut up, yeah.
Goes on a best man, I say, Yawaputia, edging the copy.
Thunder fire you. When government approve primary school for you, where you did, where you not go on that time?
I don't know. You don't know.
I go say a best signature, Eddie. She didn't sign. Almost 1 year hand, that is the signature.
Rich watch and cup of tea, oh, funny people. Rich watch and cup of tea. He went to prison. Today, he's gallivanting, he's shouting, Buhari, Buhari, Buhari. Ha! Oh, Mumu no too much. Oh, Mumu no too much. Tam David, where she daddy. You went to prison for wristwatch and cup of tea.
Muwa, 1 year and Rodiano, Andy, Kedafiano. Agwa munu mboge nkele biada sign no.
What?
Jesus. Ama mundu na that hall. Sign or that declaration. Malanda sign yano.
God should descend, oh, today God will descend.
Agwa munu mboge nkele biada sign.
Jesus is Lord.
Hey!
I
beg you, I beg you, I don't.
Agwa declaration or declare or sign here.
It's a lie.
Or sign do ya at all. It's your signature ya. Ngozo na beza didn't sign anything.
Shut up, you know if you do.
I'm out from it. Anything saga. I'm out from it. Can we keep ourselves? Because that saga in Abba didn't name me and didn't name Coco. I don't know walk with Abatobia. And that because they walk with Abatobia. Okay, can I walk with Abatobia? They know us. Do you need even a social media name may affect? Then that I will stop. Which is the moment I want to stop. Was the way to eat that time. Can you open up that auto can saga continue? Because I feel that no police will be over to be enough. They are well on way to talk about to be important so that all continue damage. You don't talk like a drunkard insulting people and making them feel that they don't know what they're doing. Stop it. You don't do such. Because this is government and the authority is disseminated from every department. If you're a media, you have your place. That is the danger of some of the medias communicating with men on ground. You are now seeing yourself as an authority because you are communicating with one military personnel on ground. And mind you, it is against the government, against President Scotta, and against our DX Scotta for anyone to be communicating with men on ground if you are not in the capacity of government. So if you are doing that already, you are disobeying the government and you must desist from that. You cannot be misbehaving in the media and destroying what we are doing in the name of you are in the media. Whether you are independent or dependent media, I don't care. I am giving you a sound of warning. Desist from that nonsense and stop insulting the authority in Briggy.
There is God. The blood we are sharing, there is God. There is God. There is God. There is God.
No problem. We need other interns. That is the intel that the Jamaica have released. Instead of making noise and insulting people out of whatever influence, I don't know. You should get busy and share the message of Jamaica for Biafrans to be aware that it is coming from the government. Not to think that by making noise you are making sense. You are just making noise. You are not making sense. So please advise yourself further and desist from such reckless behavior.
Something way bad for this.
So be forewarned, is to be forearmed.
They say, Mumu done too much, Mumu done too much. You be Mumu, you call other people
going forward.
They never show you
Communicating with men on ground
Nigeria is not for the
abominable. It is
Nigeria is not for Charlie Boy. Nigeria is not for Good Luck Jonathan. Nigeria is not for Alhaji Mujahid Okwakarala Ojaba. It's not for us. The earlier we realize this, the earlier every one of you realize this, the better it will be for us. That Nigeria is not for us.
All you need to do is
how many times would they tell you before you know that Nigeria is not for you?
Creating panic.
Charlie Boy, Good Luck Jonathan. Even the America will know. Who is America? Don't be small North Korea. They knock America here. Knock America there. When America don't do, America will know. Instead of you to do something for people, they build a magic school with our money.
We are in a very critical situation, and if you want to solve this problem,
you want to please others and displease us and displease yourself.
Mean well, and you have the interest of Biafra in an interest of the people at heart, by making such noise and insulting with such way.
God no make mistakes when He made me your man. He did not make any mistake.
By you making noise,
now God did not make me your man.
Coming to talk, is He going to create more pencil?
The earlier you learn to be who you are, the better to be. Man know thyself. You don't know yourself.
Now, to get all the rulers and all the needed items to combat the enemies.
Somebody had been away for 94 days.
And if you cannot,
post-president, this photo president. Nigeria president now photo. Everybody go snap photo with that. So say our president snap photo with snap photo with the Rogers. He snap photo with this one. Now president now photo on a vote. Your president is now a picture. Photo. Not be juju be that.
Hey, Jesus Christ of Nazareth.
Man. Sorry, but you also another defeat day.
No, na me fuck up.